do a lot of trips back and forth between Greenwood and Alberta because we like Alberta, don't we?
Yeah.
And whenever we go through Cranbrook, there's a must stop, an absolute must stop. You usually do Mickey D's, and I tell you, don't do Mickey D's because there's something much better. And it's time that we show the world about this one. It's a little gem. They said and asked us very nicely in the past that we're not allowed to film inside. So I can't take you inside, but if you do get a chance, this is the stop. Rick's Fine Meats and sausage. They have brilliant cheeses, lots of meats, phenomenal charcuterie. We're going to plate it, we're going to eat it and share it with some friends later on. But you can't go in with the camera. You have to. Right. Hey, this is gold, absolute gold, and it's very, 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 I won't say affordable.
I think you bought the whole shop though.
I think I did buy the whole shop, but the bottom line is, when you see what we bought, it is out of this world. You are in top shelf territory, and it is worth gold. That's why we got our own fridge for what we buy here. There's a big thirst coming for this one, so absolutely a feast. I cannot remember all the things we got in the store, but I'm going to try. So Cowboy, you're going to keep up with me? Keep up. I know we didn't get the asparagus. Somebody else sneaked in the asparagus here. Can you see? And the olives we got. And then fokkel fluffy. Weg is jy. Mexican salami. Hungarian salami. Pork neck. This is pork neck with very hot, very, very hot peppers. We're combining that with the best that Swiss cheese and Danish cheese has to offer. Lots of Havarti. The one that I want to point out, which you can only get at Rick's, well, they don't have any left anymore, it's this one, which is a goat cheese Gouda, goat milk Gouda, done with honey. Absolutely phenomenal. And we're combining all of this with some good old guac, beautiful salsa that we actually added some choncha with a bit of a habanero, and if that's not hot enough, some sweet chili, jelly, deliciousness. So, make the road trip work, go through Cranbrook, stop at Rick's, find some friends, have a charcuterie.